how to enable night mode on Telegram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable night mode on Telegram. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Telegram app on your phone. And once you have opened the Telegram app, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And after tapping on that, you can see the pop-up menu appearing. And here in the pop-up menu, simply tap on the option Label as Settings. And after tapping on that, you'll be prompted to the settings section. From here, you simply need to scroll down and tap on the option Label as the chat settings. And here in the chat setting, you can see the option label as switch to night mode. So simply tap on that. And after tapping on that, you have successfully enabled the dark mode. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.